Okay, students, we have been using our calculators a lot, and sometimes when we're using our calculators, we think that everything can be done in the calculator without writing anything down. And today we're going to be ordering real numbers. Real numbers are rationals, irrationals. Rational numbers are decimals and fractions and negatives and integers. So we need to be really careful with what we're doing. We're going to put these numbers in order. You see a fraction, 7/8, a negative fraction, 1/6, a negative decimal, 3/10, a square root or a radical, a square root of 5, and 2 2/13. Now I can use my calculator to turn all of these into decimal form. I actually forgot my calculator, excuse me for a moment. You look at those numbers. And since we're using the calculator, which I now have, we might be tempted to just try everything, remembering, going back and forth. That is a bad practice. A good practice is to do the math in the calculator and then simply write down the decimal version. Decimals are the easiest numbers to put in order. So I have 7/8. So 7 divided by 8, 0.875. Negative 1 divided by 6, 1.16, repeating, negative 0.3, the square root of 5, which is 2.23, and I can round it. It will actually be 2.24 if I round to the hundredths place. And 2 divided by 13 plus 2, and 2.15 rounded to the hundredths place. So clearly, negatives are going to be the smallest number, and I will look at my place value here, and I will see that I have negative 0.3 and negative 0.1. 0.3 is further from 0, so this is my smallest number. Negative 0.3. This is my next smallest or my next largest. So that is negative 1/6. So I've used that one and that one. So now I have to look. I have 0.8, 2.2, and 2.1. So 0.8, 7/8. And then I have one of these. So the 2's are the same. 0.2, 0.1, this is less. So 2 2/13. And then the last one that is left, the square root of 5. It is simply that easy.